Hi friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? First thing, my congratulations to all candidates, friends. Those are cleared this IDBI Executive Merit List and Wait List, friends. Most of the my subscriber cleared this IDBI Executive 2021. See, friends, what is the cutoff this year IDBI Executive 2021? See, friends, category wise cutoff marks secure for merit list and wait list candidates. Category and cutoff marks, friends. See, friends, SC 90 marks, ST 80.25, OBC 96.25. EWS economically weaker section 94.75, UR 101.75. See friends, compared to last year cutoff, UR and EWS and SC cutoff somewhat less only, friends. Only here you observed ST and OBC somewhat 4 to 5 marks increased cutoff. Okay, come to the waitlist candidates, friends. See cutoff. Categories cutoff: SC 81.25, ST 70.75, OBC 86.25, EWS economically weaker section 85.5, UR 86.25. See friends, in this video I am going to explain, friends, what is the chances for waitlist candidates. See friends, actually those are clear this section wise cutoff. See, once we will go through this section wise cutoff, SC, ST, OBC and PWA. Reasoning out of 50, friends, 8.50. English out of 50, 10.25. Quantitative aptitude out of 50, 7.25 for SC, ST, OBC and PW. For comes to the EWS and UF, friends, reasoning out of 50, 13.75. English out of 50, 16 marks. And quantitative aptitude, friends, out of 50, 12.50. See friends, nearly they released waitlist candidates nearly here 1:5 ratio, friends. Nearly 4,500 members they kept as waitlist. See friends, what is the chances for this waitlist candidate? See friends, here 99% chances for this waitlist candidate, friends. See this waitlist candidate, friends, validity up to 1 year. From they every quarter basis, friends, they call for this waitlist candidates. After the joining of merit list candidates, how many vacancies there and how many vacancies required for future, they call in this waitlist candidate only. So those are clear the section wise cutoff. Those are under this waitlist candidates up to 1 year validity will be there, friends. So they every quarter basis, every 3 months basis, they call for this waitlist candidates. So in that, friends, 99% chances for this waitlist candidates will be there. Okay, my best wishes. Those are clear this IDBI executive merit list and waitlist candidate, friends. Most of my our subscribers cleared this examination. I feel very happy, friends. Okay, and most of my subscriber asking, sir, when the release this IDBI Manipal result. See friends, today high chances for IDBI Manipal result also. Today or tomorrow there is a high chances to going to out the IDBI Manipal result. See friends, in that video I am already told by September 25th result going to out. So exactly, friends, September 25th only result going to out. Okay, after that, friends, I'm going to upload the video regarding this what is a document procedure, what is a medical procedure. I'm going to upload upcoming video, friends. Thank you all your support. Please be in touch with my channel. Those are watching the first time my video, subscribe my channel, upcoming latest update, friends. Thank you all your support and Jai Hind, friends.